I'm at the aeroplane and everybody is sleeping, so I need to be so quiet, but I think you can hear my voice, so let's just go into there. First, I want to find what thing do I even wanted. I already colored this that just now. And now I feel I want to color this one. I almost say the rainbow because the rainbow looks so cute though. So when you already join in or already download it, you have sparkling. You like this? You see, if you turn on the sparkling, it will be no sparkle. I want to use the sparkling because it looks so shiny, right? Yeah, that's great. I like it. And then we just need to follow. If it's turn like so gray, you need to color it. If it's turn if it's turn not gray like the 12th one, like this one, this means it's not the number. I hope I didn't speak too loud. And then this is kind of fun. I like it. I like to record at the aeroplane. This is not even long time. This is my first time recording at the aeroplane. I thought we cannot record, but we actually can. Wow. Wow, it's cute. It's so cute. Wow, look at that. So now let's go back to library. Maybe I want to color the hardest one. I feel I want to color this cat, but I don't want to color this cat. This one. This is until what? 24? No way. So I need to be so... Oh no. How am I going to... I should have picked the hardest one. The bomb, okay? Oh, okay, got it. When is this gonna end? Okay, after that, I wanna hold. I'm singing right now. Okay, that was so close. I just saw the way to that time. Wait, I think this one. I'm very confusing. Comment down below if you have recorded the flight before, because I do not. And I already said this is my first time. But I already used the airplanes a little bit because you guys all know airplane is so expensive. The ferry. Maybe just need to do the ticket, but I'm not sure if we need to pay with the money. Because when I go to or KL or whatever, or Sona, I don't know how to, Sabah is actually KK, or Singapore, I use ferry, but if I go to Langkawi, I use airplane because Langkawi, I never go Langkawi with ferry. That's why there's a clue. Never mind, they don't want to give me a clue. Wait. Okay, I see. I think my eyes is so good. Okay, I need to... Wait, let's see. I have 70. I'm not sure if I can finish this. because I'm using my iPad right now, my new iPad, yeah. I'm not sure if I already recorded my new iPad because I always think at mine. And I cannot, if I already done this, I cannot send the video because I'm at the airplane. So maybe next week or 2 days when I arrive at Langkawi. But if I arrive and now I need to do the internet tomorrow, yeah. Because my auntie house live at the jungle and they don't put internet at all. Then I was lagging. W game, they make me lag. Lag is my lag is okay. Is that? Oh wait. I think. Oh wait, no, it's. I think is that. Wait, is that? Oh, I can't find. Oh, here. Yes. Well, the tree is kind of like I wanna like how am I going to finish this? I thought I can finish, but there's just I'm smiling. I smile right now because I'm using my airplane ticket is business class. Yeah, I'm sitting at the front. I'm sitting because my daddy upgraded to the max. And just kidding, I think the airplane ticket will have max. So, wait. I might take honestly the window. Never mind, it's bright. Okay. You might need some glasses to see. That almost hit my almost hit my nose at the top, the bottom, at the top, at the middle. I'm not sure if I don't know where is the. Wait, I found it. Wait. I think that's no. I thought that was last. How am I going to finish this question? Well, I can go. I got the aeroplane in suitcase. And let's just put it here. I already have 3 of them. Wait, I think 2. this one. I would do it when I was so big. I'm not gonna do the Christmas though. I'm just gonna do the easy. I'm still. Okay. This is kind of easy. I'm speeding up. Okay then. Oh, I thought this was but never mind. This is the easiest one I ever did until now. I almost said 19. I thought until down the floor, but it's just over. Wait, I thought the floor was I don't know. Was this one? I'm pointing at this the stick. But the tree is actually the stick. I'm starting so bad because I cannot remember where the shiny sticky stick. So I'm Speaky. What is Speaky? I might know it's Spiky or Speaky, but I'm not saying Spiky. I'm saying Speaky. It's not even a word, but I'm not sure what is that. Holy Spiky. And this is Spiky. Oh, it's over here and then somewhere else. Oh yeah. It's so. The number 1 is so easy than the number 8. But it's okay though. We have this one. So tomorrow I want to post. I wanna send this video at the YouTube because I don't have internet and I'm going back at night. Wow, this looks weird and I like it. Wait, what? Just that? Oh wait, no. I thought it's that. I was so shocked that it's only that. Well, okay, like real. Was it like real? A gift. Oh wait, where is a gift? Wait, am I allowed to show this? Wait, no. Oh, never mind. We still have it back now. I must be so quiet because I'm I can record, this is the easiest. Well, it's like an ice cream, a real ice cream, ice cream. Okay, back to level up. Yeah, I'm level 2. Don't say you. Why are you level 1? I thought that you're level. Please don't do. Don't say that. I know how to play this game, but I just paintbrush. No, this is same like this one, this one. This one. Yes, that one. Wait. Is this gonna be a real flock or a different color flock? I think it's gonna be a flop because it's actually gonna be normal soon. Wait, how much? Okay, 66 is not that bad, but if it's at 1%, it will be so bad. Oh, I'm done. I forgot to. There was. I don't want to read the comment. Comment down below if you have, if you before. Comment down below if you have complete all the drawings before of today. Oh, yesterday. I finished all the picture and then I will be like today. If you also to do that, like afternoon or what, or like that. Just put whatever that you are done finish. So I will know. Wait. Wow, it's lagging. W game. 2W game. 2W and this is game. 2W game. I hope you understand what I'm saying. 2W game. Okay, so I have 2. 1, 2. I have 2W. So 1 game is W, so 2 game. 2W game. I'm not sure. Nina is gonna be hard. I can't read it. Well, oh here. Yeah. Oh, it's still amazing. Wow, this is like a real frog. He's like this thing. We're at 68. Okay. Wow, you see the emotion? You see that? You see the ice cream one? They take a color on this. But I just colored that. Oh, so that what the kids do. And the motion. Oh, the frog. Cheddar. Okay. Now let's play other game that I need to. Cancel act. Yeah, this is similar like color number, but it don't have sparkling. Good. They do not look the same at all. Look, you see, I only have it's this. Let's see how much color. 20. Oh no! So they color this 20. That's like that. This is kind of cool. No. If you make a mistake, just be like that, okay? Never mind, I'm going there. Never mind, I'm feeling that. I want to speed it up because I don't want to. My eyes really hurt so much. And then too,
Malaysia juga bersama saya di dalam penerbangan pada petang ini pembantu jutawan Encik Raya dan juga bersama anda di dalam kabin penyedia penerbangan Encik Sri Ganesh bersama anak-anak kapal yang naik ucapkan terima kasih kerana menyertai penerbangan kami MH2609 ke Kuala Lumpur. Dan untuk membantu tuan dan puan-puan, kita akan memulakan penerbangan turun kita sebentar lagi. Cuaca di Kuala Lumpur dilaporkan mendung dengan suhu tinggi 27 darjah Celsius. Pada masa ini kita telah mendarat di landasan 14 kiri. Sekarang pada pukul 1.55 petang dan akan tiba di bangunan terminal 5 minit kemudian. Sekali lagi bagi pihak penerbangan Malaysia dan juga anak-anak kapal kami ucapkan terima kasih kerana menyertai penerbangan kami. Semoga kita jumpa lagi di penerbangan yang akan datang dan terima kasih atas perhatian anda. A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Your captain once again, and for information, we will be commenting on this end shortly. Weather in Kuala Lumpur is reported to be a bit cloudy, with the ground temperature of 27 degrees Celsius. And presently expecting to land runway 14 at approximately 55 minutes past 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And we should be at the terminal building 5 minutes after. Once again, on behalf of Malaysia Airlines and the rest of the crew, I'd like to say thank you for joining us. We do hope you had a pleasant flight. We hope to see you on another flight, and thank you for your attention. Cabin crew, prepare cabin for arrival.
Tuan-tuan, puan-puan dan adik-adik sekalian, kita akan mula terbang turun sebentar lagi. Sekiranya tanda isyarat pasangan tali kereta dipadamkan, sila simpan barangan anda dan alat elektronik saiz besar di ruang penyimpanan di atas, serta tanggalkan semua alat elektronik dari bekalan kuasa dan USB di tempat duduk anda. Semua sajian akan ditinggal sebagai persediaan untuk mendarat. Terima kasih. Ladies and gentlemen, the boys and girls, we will be descending shortly. If the seatbelt sign is switched off, you may return any items including large electronic devices to the overhead compartment and disconnect all devices from the engine power supply system, including the USB port. This concludes our in-flight services as we prepare for landing. Thank you.